Hi traders, now let us look at the Banknifty review for past week and let's discuss the trade opportunities for the upcoming week. So Banknifty was trading above monthly CPR. This is daily chart with monthly CPR. Banknifty was trading around monthly R1 levels. So this clearly denotes that Banknifty is bullish because it was able to trade around monthly R1 level and there was a small zone. So if this zone is broken along with monthly R1, then we can expect the bulls to take the prices higher. On Monday and Tuesday, as per daily chart, we can see the prices were stuck inside the zone. And from Wednesday, the prices started to move higher because it broke the zone as well as monthly R1. Now let us look at deeper using hourly chart with weekly CPR. In hourly chart, what we can find out is the prices are not only stuck inside this zone, but also the prices were stuck inside the weekly CPR levels. So on Monday, the prices were completely inside weekly CPR. So there is no point in analyzing the trend. So whenever the prices are inside daily, weekly or monthly CPR, there is no point in discussing about the trend. It is going to be a range bound market majority of the time. And even on Tuesday, the prices were almost inside weekly CPR for the first few hours, and finally it closed above weekly CPR, and that clearly denotes bulls have gotten some control over the market, because during Monday the prices were little big below the weekly CPR, but from Tuesday the second half onwards the prices started to sustain above the weekly CPR levels. So that clearly shows bulls have taken some control. And from Wednesday, Thursday and Friday we saw some rally in the prices. From Wednesday onwards we have to be very keen on taking long position. Now let us look at the 5 minutes chart with daily CPR. On Monday, as you can see, the prices were below the daily CPR, and let me synchronize this zone and we can easily figure out that Bank Nifty is inside the zone and we should not plan any trade inside the zone. And moreover, Bank Nifty is above monthly CPR and Bank Nifty is almost inside weekly CPR. So don't take any trade on this particular day. Don't plan for a short trade, don't plan for a long trade. It is going to be a risky day. Option sellers will be dominating these kind of markets. So option buyers should stay away from this market condition. On Tuesday, we got a range bound market in the first half of the day. R1 previous day high was not broken. Even if R1 previous day high is getting broken, I want the first candle high, that is called as the day high of that particular trading day. So this day high also has to be broken. Now let's say I am taking a long position when R1 and previous day high is broken at this point. When I am taking a long position above R1 and previous day high, there is a higher chance that today high, the first candle high, will act as a resistance. So if I am taking a long when R1 and previous day high is broken, I have to plan for a small scalping till the prices reach today high. And moreover, the prices are inside the zone. So it's better you avoid taking a trade on this particular day. Even if you are taking a trade on this particular day, make sure you exit before it reaches today high. You might have somebody would have taken a trade over here, and you can see there is no momentum at all right. If day high was broken on this particular day, maybe you would have seen some bullish momentum. So both Monday and Tuesday is not good for option buying. Now let's come to Wednesday. Now Wednesday we can clearly see, as I am discussing in hourly and daily chart, this range has been broken comfortably, and already the prices are above R1 previous day high and R2. Now in the first half of the day, the market was stuck inside a range. So it's going to be very easy for us to plan a trade. If this range is broken in 5 minutes chart, we are going to go for a long trade. So here the day high, the range as well as the R3 levels are broken. You can go for a long position with stop loss R3 R2 50% as your stop loss, or you can place your stop loss below R3 with some buffer points. Alright, don't place your stop loss immediately below R3. Give some buffer point and place your stop losses, and your target R4 is reached. As per our CPR concepts, as per option buying range breakout concepts, we got a trade on Wednesday and that trade has been successful. Now let us come to Thursday. So Thursday, once again, market is going up by breaking R1 and previous day high. So without any second thought, you can go for a long position with stop loss below R1 and previous day high, and your target is going to be R2. Obviously your target is going to be R2. Even before that, if you want, you can exit. If you are satisfied with the profits, you can exit before that. And almost R2 was reached, so you should exit your trade. On Thursday also we got a good trade opportunity. Day high as well as R2 was broken in the last half an hour, right? So if you want, you can take a long position because this is a valid entry. Day high is getting broken and already the market is super bullish. So if you want, you can go for a call option and you can do some quick scalping and you can exit. On Friday, similar to Thursday, R1 and previous day high is getting broken. Of course, you can go for a long position. Let's say if you have done a scalping, then you would have exit in the next candle. You would have made some few points and you would have exit in the next candle. But if you are waiting for R2 as your target, then obviously your stop loss would have been hit. So on Wednesday and Thursday, we are making a profitable trade. And on Friday, our stop loss has been hit. Once stop loss is hit, after that, please don't plan for any short opportunities because the market is super bullish. Don't plan to take a short here, and don't plan to take a short here, and don't plan to take a short when daily CPR is broken. It is risky because market, especially Bank Nifty, is trading around weekly R2 levels, and Bank Nifty is trading almost closer to monthly R2 levels. So when the market is super bullish like this scenario, avoid taking short position in smaller time frames like 5 minutes chart. Now for the upcoming week, what we have to expect is, we can clearly see that Bank Nifty is at all-time high levels. So this particular swing high has been acting as a resistance in Bank Nifty for so many times. So this was acting as a resistance and this was also acting as a resistance. Now successfully Bank Nifty monthly chart has broken this tough resistance. Now what I want is, Bank Nifty can take support in this resistance, because we all know very well that if resistance turns into a support, that is also a good sign of trending bullish market. So even if Bank Nifty comes down, I am not worried. I want Bank Nifty to take support in this resistance. Moreover, this is what everybody calls a cup and handle breakout, and people will expect some huge bullish rally as per the cup and handle pattern. But what I want technically is, I want Bank Nifty to stay above this resistance level. I don't want Bank Nifty to break this level and I don't want Bank Nifty to fall. If Bank Nifty takes support and then if Bank Nifty tries to bounce back, it is a good long opportunity. Along with this, if you check at monthly CPR levels, already Bank Nifty is above monthly CPR levels, Bank Nifty is above monthly R1 levels. And if Bank Nifty is above weekly CPR levels for the upcoming week, These are all some added advantages. Alright. Already Bank Nifty is at all-time high. Already Bank Nifty has broken a cup and handle pattern. And already Bank Nifty is above monthly weekly CPR. If this continues every day, every week, then that is a good opportunity for us to take a long position. As of now, you can stop focusing on short positions in Bank Nifty. If there is any short positions and if there is any short opportunity, definitely I will update in my Telegram channel. You can join right now. Search for CPR by KGS. I hope you all liked this analysis. Share it to your friends. Together we grow as a price action trading community. Thank you. Bye.